I get asked pretty often about how to set sequences by using the model rather than just choosing pieces and changing the sequences. Or in this scenario where a detailer may not set the sequences in the model and you need to do it here in EPM. You can use the model, the IFC model in Trimble Connect in order to do that, which makes a whole lot of sense because you can actually see what you're selecting rather than just choosing lines of data. So this makes a whole lot of sense to do it this way. So if I just look at this particular model here, and if I colorize by sequence, you'll see I only have one sequence here. It's all sequence one. So let's say that I wanted to modify this and add in some other sequences. So you go to your production control drop down and modify data and set sequences like you normally would to set your sequences. And I could choose specific pieces, but that's not what I want to do here. What I want to do in this scenario is utilize the model to choose these. So I can choose pieces here and then come over here in the selection screen and go select from model, which is really cool. So now the pieces that I have selected are not actually shown here, and I can update the sequence. But let's do this a little bit differently than that even. I'd like to say, let's say that this whole area right, I'm going to do a control and then click and drag here. Let's say that area, let's get that a little bit better maybe. Somewhere in there. I'd be really particular about getting some of those, but let's go enable auto select from model. And as I select these now, you'll see that as I select that they go over here in this window. Let's redo this and maybe just choose one or two so you can see how this works. As I select different pieces, they now are going in that window as ones that I will change the sequence on. So let's just do this and just put a few pieces in there. And let's say that is our sequence 2 and update sequences. Yep, I do want to update. So now all of those have sequence 2 on them, which is really cool. So let's do a few more. Let's go grab all those and say those are sequence 3 and update sequences. Yep. Notice too, you can do lot number here as well. So you can do it either way. We're just selecting pieces here that are put here, and then you can change the sequence or the lot number either way. So that's a really nice, easy way so you can graphically change your sequence numbers. So now if I colorize by sequence numbers, I should have 3 different sequences here. Of course, that's a little bit odd, but you would be a little bit more careful in how you choose your pieces there. But that's a quick, easy way to do it. Really nice. Helps a whole lot when you have the model because you know the way you're going to put it up. You know the way you're going to fabricate it. So really nice way to do it. If you got any questions on that, let me know in the comments below.